What's up, everyone? So I recently purchased a camera and I've been having a little bit of difficulty with reflection. Whenever you're taking pictures of fish or aquariums, it seems like you get a reflection from the background stuff, not necessarily light from above or anything like that. But if you got another fish tank in the background, it's going to reflect off the front of your tank. Especially happens if you're doing like a fish room tour. So I'm going to share with you guys today my little DIY project. It's almost like a lens skirt, if you will. But yeah, so essentially it's just a black background or a black foam board that we're going to use to block any background light while taking our fish photos or videography. Let me show you how to do it. So here are the tools we're going to be using for this project. Uh, all right, so you can see the circle kind of scribed into there. And then once again, I'm going to go through with a knife and go ahead and cut it out. Is if you have a DSLR and you don't actually have a lens hood that goes on it, as well as how you can maybe apply this to an iPhone. Let's start off with the DSLR that doesn't have the lens hood, and it would just attach to the lens essentially. You don't want to attach it to the part that zooms in and out, right? Because there's motion to that, so that will cause problems if you attach it to that point. What I would do is I would cut 4 small rectangle strips out of construction paper or something like that, and I would paste them onto the front of this halfway, and then I would fold it down the other half. And then what happens is you would end up with 4 tabs on this side. So when I put it on my camera, the tabs would be on the outside of my my lens itself. Excuse me. And what you can do to fasten that is just throw a rubber band on your lens first, and then when you put the tabs on there, just fasten the rubber band on top of that, and it should hold it in place. Now here's my theory for the iPhone version. I'm thinking it'll work best if you have a tripod and one that you can flex back like this. And this is essentially just going to be a handle for it while the board is attached to it. So I'm thinking you just put 4 holes in the foam board, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, so that you have holes for straps. And what you could do is either use like a garbage tie or possibly even Velcro straps to attach the actual phone to the board itself. And then you'll have a handle, so you can just move your handle and it would go wherever you go. So that's my theory on it. If you guys have any ideas of better ways of doing this, make sure to leave a comment below. I'm sure other viewers would appreciate any assistance they could get. And I always like new ideas, so together we can make it better. And until next time.